When it comes to exporting oil worldwide, Saudi Arabia comes first. The country, in addition to other technology startups, invests in electric vehicles and renewable energy. With its sovereign wealth fund, Saudi Arabia is expanding its bet on electric automobiles by investing additional money into the US-based Lucid Motors. The oil reservoirs are expected to expire in 50 years. In today's video, we will discuss PIF investment in Lucid, their returns, and future plans for Lucid. Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for EV stock. Quick reminder that subscribing is free and liking the video helps YouTube suggest similar videos. Comments are loved and featured in upcoming videos. About PIF. The Public Investment Fund is Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund. It is one of the world's largest sovereign wealth funds with total assets valued at $430 billion. It was established in 1971 to invest funds on behalf of the government of Saudi Arabia. The PIF is increasing exposure to long-term growth possibilities, promoting innovation and technology development, and assisting the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with revenue and sectoral diversification. PIF made investments in technology startups in 2018 at the direction of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and in accordance with the Kingdom's Vision 2030 plan for diversifying the economy. One such investment was a $3.5 billion investment in ride-hailing business Uber Technologies, which was made a part of this plan. In addition, PIF invested in a number of major institutions, including the Blackstone Infrastructure Fund, Virgin Galactic, and the SoftBank Vision Fund. The PIF invested more than $1 billion in Lucid in 2018, acquiring a majority ownership in the company and assisting with the production of the company's first electric vehicle. The corporation intends to expand into Europe at the same time that it expands in the Middle East. The automaker is examining the possibility of establishing a manufacturing site in Saudi Arabia. PIF's investment in Lucid demonstrates the effectiveness of its strategy of acquiring strategic shares in overseas firms. Last year, it invested $10 billion purchasing US and European shares following the epidemic collapse, which it sold later on when markets rebounded. PIF's return on investment. In the past year, electric vehicles have become one of the most popular investment themes. The market leader, Tesla, has rocketed to a market capitalization of $710 billion, which is larger than the combined market capitalization of all traditional automobile manufacturers, and has made its owner, Elon Musk, one of the world's wealthiest individuals. In February 2021, the luxury electric vehicle manufacturer Lucid Motors agreed to go public with Churchill Capital 4 Corp, a special-purpose acquisition firm. When Lucid Motors Inc. went public in July 2021, following its merger, the financial world's attention was focused on the payout from the recent electric vehicle startup boom in North America. The Wall Street Journal stated that Saudi Arabia's oil major will be the largest beneficiary of this IPO, with around $20 billion in profits for a $2.9 billion investment made in 2018 in Lucid, which turned out to be true, as from its investment in Lucid Motors, Saudi Arabia's public investment fund has already gained billions of dollars in profit, and it stands to make many more billions in the next few years. PIF Plans. Saudi Arabia was also struck severely by the 2014 crude oil crash. The country was largely influenced by the profitability of oil companies. This investment in electrical vehicles and renewables is a part of a bigger strategy for economic diversification of Saudi Vision 2030 in an effort to reduce the reliance of the kingdom on oil. Under the plan, PIF plans to reach $2 trillion on managing assets by 2030, up from an estimated current $250 billion. Prince bin Salman has redirected the country's oil income to the fund for the financing of these investments, and recently the PIF has announced that it has raised the $11 billion bank loan. Although PIF has pushed the majority of its funding in recent months, a number of venture capital companies and companies in the kingdom have also flowed funds into technological companies like Lucid, which can assist to diversify the economy and bring new jobs into the region. PIF acknowledged that its investment in Lucid, which occurred a few years ago, reflects the company's philosophy of investing in future opportunities that offer the potential for growth and returns. The Saudi Sovereign Fund and the kingdom as a whole are diversifying their earnings by investing in Lucid. The PIF Lucid link could also have an industrial benefit. In addition to Tesla when launching its initial model more than a decade ago, Lucid will probably encounter more strong competition in electric vehicle industries with other legacy manufacturers all around the world. However, Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson relies on great design to give it an edge in the luxury class. He assured the Arabs by saying that we have the best car in the world. Lucid's success will be a tremendous boost to PIF's investment strategy, but it may also have substantial industrial and economic implications for the kingdom. Lucid is expected to create a showroom in Saudi Arabia, and there has been increasing speculation that a production plant in the kingdom might be the ultimate plan. It was a part of the contract with PIF from the start. The luxury manufacturer was committed to building a factory in Saudi Arabia. Peter Rawlinson said that, "We are in this thriving position because the PIF put their faith and trust in us." Lucid Motors wants to join the Middle East market in 2022. The corporation intends a phased global growth, starting with Saudi Arabia, the Arab world's largest economy. It is a massive market with a great thirst for state-of-the-art technology that will further fuel the expansion of Lucid. Plans are advanced, but they can alter. PIF and Lucid have also looked into the possibility of locating the facility in Neom, a new city now under construction in the northwest of Saudi Arabia. Lucid is at a considerably earlier stage in EV, but its management plans anticipate that sales and earnings will climb significantly. After selling large numbers of vehicles, the corporation will see sales of $2.2 billion next year, increasing to $22.8 billion in 2026. According to projections, it would sell 250,000 automobiles each year by then, earning over $3 billion in profit and generating $1.5 billion in free cash. The conclusion: the Public Investment Fund is expected to play a significant part in Saudi development projects over the next few years as the government attempts to decrease spending and keep the budget deficit under control following the oil market's coronavirus-triggered collapse. The growth of battery-powered automobiles has inspired several new automotive ideas, ranging from startups to state-owned companies, including Turkey's TOG, which expects to launch numerous EVs in the years to come. While Saudi Arabia has more finances to spend on its own initiative, any new car manufacturer would confront a wide spectrum of competitors worldwide. That's why they took the lucrative decision of investing in Lucid rather than going for their own electric vehicle manufacturer. The participation of the PIF is not only driven by a desire to recoup its investment, it also aims to attract more skills and investments in Saudi Arabia to generate satisfying jobs for local people. Mr. Slicks looks like he has done his research and has been following stocks like Amazon from the start. What are your thoughts on Mr. Slicks' opinion? Let us know in the comments section. That should wrap things up for today. Keep in mind that subscribing is still free and liking helps YouTube to recognize your preferences. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.